Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Overrated Blogger, जहां हम डिस्कस करते हैं ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स और लेटेस्ट गॉसिप फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट। आज का टॉपिक है पाकिस्तान की छोटी सी बंडल ऑफ टैलेंट अलीज़े शाह। लेकिन कुछ टाइम से फैंस उनकी रीसेंट एक्टिविटी देखकर थोड़े से ज़्यादा कंसर्न हो रहे हैं। अलीज़े की ड्रास्टिक वेट लॉस ने बहुत से लोगों की अटेंशन ग्रैब की है। लोग कह रहे हैं कि उनकी हेल्थ पे कुछ असर हो रहा है या शायद वो किसी बहुत इंटेंस डाइट प्लान या वर्कआउट रूटीन में है। इंस्टाग्राम पे उनकी फ़िल्टर्ड फ़ोटोज़ और वीडियोज़ ने भी एक अलग ही बात क्रिएट कर दी है। ये बात हर जगह चल रही है, अलीज़े कौन सा फ़िल्टर यूज़ कर रही हैं और क्या ये उनकी असली अपीयरेंस है या नहीं। लोग कंफ्यूज्ड हैं और कुछ लोग क्रिटिकल भी। लेकिन एक चीज़ तो क्लियर है कि उनकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ने सबको शॉक कर दिया है। पहले की सारी ओल्ड इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट अलीज़े ने डिलीट कर दी हैं। अब सिर्फ नई वीडियोस और फोटोज़ हैं और उनका नया स्टाइल। मोस्टली वो डांस करते हुए दिख रही हैं और उनका गेटअप बहुत एनिमे इंस्पायर्ड है। ब्राइट कलर्स, ड्रामेटिक मेकअप और वो अलग सा कॉन्फिडेंस। कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि ये एक नए अलीज़े का एरा है, लेकिन दूसरे फैंस वरीड हैं। आपने देखा होगा उनके कैप्शंस भी बहुत क्रिप्टिक होते जा रहे हैं। जैसे एक पोस्ट पे उन्होंने लिखा था, लेटली आई हैव बीन ड्रेसिंग फॉर रिवेंज। ये काफ़ी शॉकिंग और इंट्रीगिंग बात है। क्या वो किसी स्पेसिफिक सिचुएशन की तरफ हिंट कर रही हैं या सिर्फ अपने फैशन चॉइसेस जस्टिफाई कर रही हैं? Like in some of her posts, she wrote, "Got my eye on you. Lately, I've been dressing for revenge. I thought you got all you came for. Lover, lost in the fire," and so on and so forth. It is so confusing, so we don't know what she's going through. She also wrote, "I honestly pity for you haters. You guys are just obsessed. Hating on me just because you were not loved enough. Because it's my choice to do whatever I want or whoever I want to become. Everyone goes through a phase, and if I want to be vocal about it, I'll just say it. Ignore if it bothers you. People really need to get a job." She also wrote, "I know being a Pakistani and having a different sense of fashion causes a lot of issues for people, but really, is this even my problem? You guys love watching these Pakistani actresses wearing choti si choli and lehenga in movies and enjoy that. But if we wear something that we like, you start calling us out, and for what? I am a public figure, not a public property. So keep your lame opinions to yourself. I'm done tolerating." She seems a little bit frustrated, because of all the hate that she's getting on her fashion and also on the looks that she's serving these days. फैंस के रिएक्शंस मिक्स हैं। कुछ लोग अलीज़े को सपोर्ट करते हुए कह रहे हैं कि यू गो गर्ल, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग जेन्युइनली कंसर्न्ड है। वो पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या अलीज़े ठीक हैं, क्या उनके साथ सब कुछ ओके है। हम सबको ये याद रखना चाहिए कि सेलिब्रिटीज़ भी ह्यूमन बीइंग हैं। सोशल मीडिया की दुनिया में अपने आप को कॉन्स्टेंटली पोर्ट्रे करना और परफेक्ट लगना एक बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर होता है। शायद अलीज़े अपनी लाइफ के किसी नए फेज़ में हैं या शायद वो किसी स्ट्रगल से गुजर रही हैं। मुझे लगता है कि इस वक्त सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है अलीज़े की वेल-बीइंग। अगर वो किसी तरह की हेल्प चाहती हैं तो हमें एज़ फैंस और ऑडियंस उनको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए। मेंटल हेल्थ इज़ नॉट अ जोक, और अगर उनका बिहेवियर या कैप्शंस कुछ सिग्नल करते हैं तो हमें रिस्पॉन्सिबली एक्ट करना चाहिए। जो उनका स्टाइल और लुक्स का चेंज है, हो सकता है कि वो सिर्फ एक एक्सपेरिमेंट हो, मे बी शी इज़ जस्ट हैविंग फन। लेकिन अगर ये एक कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म है या किसी स्ट्रेस का रिजल्ट है, तो हम सिर्फ उनके लिए दुआ कर सकते हैं। यू कैन सी द मीन कमेंट्स फ्रॉम सम ऑफ द पीपल, "दिस इजंट एनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, दिस इज़ अ डिजीज कॉल्ड एनोरेक्सिया नर्वोसा। दिस इजंट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, दिस इज़ इलनेस, मेल न्यूट्रिशन का शिकार लग रही है।" So you see how people can be mean sometimes. Weight loss and fitness are two different things. Do not use it interchangeably. Here people don't even know the difference between losing fat and losing health and become fitness trainer and nutritionist. Well, this is true as well, that some people don't know the difference between these two, and they, train people, and people listen to their advice without, knowing any credentials or anything about them. So it is a dangerous thing to do. And another comment says, "A serious cry for help for our society who doesn't celebrate strength, health or fitness, but this. Lost muscle isn't transformation. You can fit through the process being losing weight with too fast dangerous for future health. So people are just going to neglect the fact that she's skinny on the expense of a full-blown eating disorder. Yes, she was seen smoking, so what does that prove? Exaggeration is in anything is bad, be it fat or slim. One should be in the perfect ordered weight according to height. Otherwise, it will only look awkward. She will dissolve into air if she keeps her weight loss treatment. Another one wrote, a serious cry for help for our society who doesn't celebrate strength. I think I already read that one. So you can see the mean comments from people, or you can say that they are concerned about her well being. So sad to see she's suffering from this. I guess she's suffering from some disease, seems to be suffering from inferiority complex. I don't think so. Iodine की कमी का शिकार लग रही है. This is actually really mean to say. I don't find it funny at all. What the hell happened to Alize Shah? So I recently remembered Alize Shah's existence and had been wondering what she's up to. I don't hear about her a lot anymore. I checked her Insta and it's full of cringy filter wali photos and even cringier captions. What happened? And she looks so photoshopped. Makes me sad because back when she debuted, I really liked her and found her pretty. Can someone tell me what happened? Why is she acting like this, and why do I barely see her these days? Well, we are wondering the same thing. Maybe she's going through something, or I don't know. There is like this drastic transformation, and she was like a cute, bubbly girl, and then all of a sudden, she looks so different. I'm okay with her appearance, but I hope that she's okay. She had a very messy breakup with an actor named Noman Sami or something similar, which took a significant toll on her, affecting his career as well, or her, I don't know. Not long after, Alize Shah lost a considerable amount of weight, which, in my opinion, made her look quite unattractive. Some videos of her also leaked showing her smoking and allegedly using drugs on the set of a drama inside a car with a guy. She faced heavy criticism for this, and I believe she even tried to defend herself. There were constant reports of her being unprofessional on set with co stars and production teams, often expressing their frustration with her. Yasir Nawaz also mentioned that he had the worst experience working with her. Recently, she underwent some surgeries which in my view only made her appearance worse. Now she behaves like a cringy TikToker with no real content on Instagram. Well, some of these things are not wrong, I would say, because I've heard the same things and I think we all have कि वो थोड़ा सा अजीब सा behavior था उनका sets के ऊपर, and she was seen smoking weed and stuff, doing drugs. And then Yasir Nawaz also said, and other people have also said, that she's very difficult to work with. She's not punctual. She takes forever to show up on sets. And sometimes people don't name the actor, but we can guess it. हमें समझ तो आ ही जाती है कि किसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. So, yeah, I mean, the unprofessional thing I'm not a fan of, because, as a person who's very punctual, I find people really annoying, जो कि टाइम पे नहीं आते हैं और अपने काम को सीरियस नहीं लेते हैं. You should respect other people's time as well. And that's the way going forward. So, yeah, these things are not cool, I guess. Also, I'm not sure about the breakup thing, but it seems like that she had a messy breakup or something. That's why she's posting these things, maybe to get the attention of the said person, whoever she broke up with. Yeah, she was definitely smoking marijuana in her car. Wasn't she already a TikToker before acting? Oh, damn. Yeah, I mean, the thing is कि हमें इसके बारे में कंफर्म तो नहीं पता कि वो किसको डेट कर रही थी या नहीं, but it is what it is. Maybe that's her way of, trying to get some attention from her ex, probably. Another user wrote, I think she was really young when she entered the industry, got famous real fast, didn't know how to handle it, got into Botox and bad habits, and destroyed herself. She was way too young and got exploited by the industry and her parents. I believe her I cannot read that, roots got her nudes got leaked, okay, and then it all went hell. I don't think so. I don't think that's true. I don't know what actually happened to her, but I just know that she maybe had some surgeries on her face. That's why she does not look as pretty as earlier, as she was involved in some controversies earlier. But you know what? The thing is, I don't think she had surgeries. I think it's because of a lot of weight loss. उन्होंने इतना ज़्यादा weight loss किया है ना कि उसकी वजह से face looks different, and actually it happens as well, you know. And maybe I'm not too sure about the surgeries. I mean, I'm no one to say that कि उन्होंने बहुत surgeries करवा रही हैं and all that, but मुझे ऐसा feel होता है कि उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा weight loss किया है, तो उसकी वजह से of course face changes, and then she puts on these filters जिससे already face जो है वो different लगने लग जाता है. You can totally look like a different person with these filters, you know. So she keeps posting videos like that with the filters on, and because of the weight loss that makes her like a totally different person. So I believe that's about it. Or surgeries का मुझे नहीं लगता कि that's entirely true. And it's her wish, you know, if she wants to look different or a certain way, that's her choice. Let her be. She's enjoying life, she's making money, she is doing her work. So yeah, why should we bother, you know? Another one wrote, also right after her breakup, her ex was way too active on Humaima Malik's Instagram, and so was she. She literally is low key going to the route where deliberately exposing your body is the way to gain views. Cringed and ewed herself. ये तो टाइम ही बताएगा कि एलिज़े की ये ट्रांसफ़ॉर्मेशन किस तरफ जा रही है। फ़िलहाल हम सबको सिर्फ़ उनकी सपोर्ट करनी चाहिए और अवॉइड करना चाहिए हार्श जजमेंट या ट्रोलिंग। आखिर में वो एक टैलेंटेड एक्ट्रेस हैं जो हमें उनकी परफॉर्मेंसेस से इंस्पायर करती रही हैं। आपको इस टॉपिक पर क्या ओपिनियन है? क्या आपको लगता है कि ये सिर्फ़ एक स्टाइल फ़ेज़ है या और कुछ ज़्यादा सीरियस बात हो सकती है? कमेंट्स में अपने थॉट्स ज़रूर शेयर करें। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। ओवररेटेड ब्लॉगर को अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, टेक केयर एंड बी काइंड।